Hi, I'm Michael from Orthopro, and today we're going to discuss some of the various options that people have when dealing with foot drop. One of the technologies available for addressing a foot drop issue is the Turbo Med. Now, a few years ago, this came out as the Turbo Med 3000, and now we have the updated iteration of the Turbo Med Extern. This particular foot drop brace works a little differently than the typical one. This particular device actually fits over the shoe, so it's outside or external to the footwear, where a lot of times the normal AFO foot drop brace fits inside the shoe. The shoe is modified by having a clip added to the front part of the shoe. And then the brace itself just slips over the shoe and is engaged into the clip. Once you put the brace on, you slip your leg into the shoe, do up the strap over the front of the extern, and then when you take a step, the spring is basically this motion here. So that helps keep your foot from dragging or the effects of foot drop. This is a great option if you need to change your shoes or you just don't want something inside your shoe. The reason why this particular type of brace has been a great option is that it can be used for hiking boots or other types of shoes that it would be difficult to put a brace into. When you're outdoors and you want to experience running, this is actually an option for that, whereas some typical AFO braces wouldn't allow that. We hope you found this information useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch other videos regarding this topic. If you or a loved one are dealing with foot drop, please call and schedule a free consultation or visit our website.